This is episode 3 of Real Occult, where we apply numerology and astrology to the material world. In this episode, we're going to be talking about how the universe gives energetic feedback. So what does that mean? How are we going to discuss this? We are first going to talk about one of the fundamental energetic rules of Earth, of this world, of this lifetime. And we're going to talk about how you can use this rule to maintain alignment with the world's energy so that you're able to compound your actions and find success, which simply means getting the result that you want. So let's get into it. What is this fundamental energetic rule? It is a combination of Newton's third law and the law of conservation of energy. Newton's third law: for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And the law of conservation of energy simply states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is simply transformed, transmutated, manifesting in a different form or different way. So when you combine these two things together, every time you are using 5 energy, or it is a 5 energy day, like today, the 23rd of December, every action that you have today, do today, everything that you do today is imprinted with this 5 energy. Whether you like it or not, whether you want it or not, if you're doing it today, there's 5 energy imprinted on that task, on that action. And now, in the future, the reaction you get from that 5 energy is going to be equal to, not greater than or less than. It's going to be equal to the action and intensity that you delivered. That energy is coming right back to you, because the energy is neither created nor destroyed. You are using it, and it's going to come right back to you. So how do you use this to maintain alignment with the universe? The universe gives you feedback by the experiences it lays before you, the numbers it lays in front of you, the times and moments, events happen for a reason. And once you start to decipher the signs, you start to see what is the lesson that's intended for me to have based on this experience. So today's a 5 energy day, 7 life path. You add up all the numbers individually: 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Reduce that down to a single digit: 7. And then today is the 23rd day of the month. So that is the energy of the day, which is extremely potent. The energy of the day is the potency. It is the experience and flavor that you're going to have all of your experiences but all of your experiences flavored with. It's the energy that you're using. Everything you're giving out is under this. So when you're going to do something and you're going to deliver something today, if you deliver it with 5 energy, you are acting in alignment with the energy. If today's a 5 day, playfulish, entertaining, change, sexual chemistry, sexual relationship, seductiveness, all of this kind of entertainment, eye-catching energy, and you were to come in super soft and mellow with 2 energy, you are out of alignment with the energy of the universe. And so, for example, if you go to the store, you buy a bunch of stuff. Today I had to go to the store for my family. Standing there looking around, debating on whether or not to get this extra item. I'm like, 5 day, 23rd, 5 energy day. Normally I wouldn't grab this item. Because it's the 23rd, 2 and 3, 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 energy day, I'm going to change and I'm going to get that item and I'm going to go for it. So I get the extra item, go to checkout. I forget what the receipt was, what the total was. Added up those digits, came out to a 5. The universe gave me feedback. By buying that extra item, I did a good job. I am in alignment with the energy of the universe. Now, will that one small specific thing dramatically change the outcome of my life? No, absolutely not. But what it does enable me to do is now begin to feel tension in my body, begin to feel tension in my life when I start to act out of alignment with the energy of the universe. When I start to do things I'm not supposed to do, I get that little voice in my mind saying, this doesn't quite feel right. And then I look at the numbers and I look at the charts and I look at the astrology and I'm like, oh, yep, shouldn't be doing this. But I have that sensation happening earlier and earlier and earlier the sooner I start to deviate from my path, because I spend more and more and more of my time directly acting in alignment with the energy of the universe. So, the one of the biggest energetic, fundamental rules of this planet: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, and energy is neither created nor destroyed. So this energy that you're sending out into the universe, you're sending it out either way. Either way, I'm buying items at the store. I might as well buy items that keep me in alignment with the energy. I might as well. And the easiest way to begin doing this is to simply look at the day of the month. Today is the 23rd. Add those 2 digits together, and that is the energy of the day. So when you're doing things, do things with that number in mind. Keeping this one short and sweet. That is all I have for you today. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or would like to suggest something for me to talk about, or would just like some help, you can go to skool.com. That's skool.com/Posture Haven, or on Twitter/X. Send me a message at Posture Bro, Posture BRO. Those are the 2 best places to reach me at this moment, so that I can actually help you, actually see your message, and actually help you start to apply numerology to the material world, to the tangible things around you, to make your day-to-day experience better and help you fulfill your purpose and mission. That's all I have for you today. I appreciate you listening, and Hope you got something out of this, and I hope to talk to you again soon.